Brush your teeth.
Using our hands is maybe the most important movement in our lives. Grasping, pinching, reaching, we do everything with our hands. As a physician, I wanted to do more for these patients. Our research is to improve hand and arm functions in people with spinal cord injury.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Wow.
The improvements were really remarkable. We just couldn't believe our eyes how the movement became easier, smoother, softer.
To the point where after 13 years I can play a musical instrument. I play guitar now.
After we stopped stimulation, we followed our participants for 3 months, and they maintained all the gains. And this is maybe the most important part of the results. It is really so promising, so exciting, and there is hope to improve function after spinal cord injury.